got some elevation there, Grant. I don't know if he's going to take it, maybe Mount Aspiring somewhere. Except to get it out of the way for the afternoon display.
We call it heli tour, southern style.
That's right. Glamping.
Glamping, yeah. Glamping under a squirrel.
Hey Grant, can I just butt in for a minute? I've just got the mayor of the Queenstown Lakes District Council with me, Jim Bolt. Jim, are you enjoying this side over there? You've got something to do with this?
I have got to ask you a question this present time. So the helicopter price is going to be relevant, so really good to see you in that direction. I just wanted to visit here.
As far away as possible?
Yeah, right away.
He wants to clear us to look on council land, I think, Jim.
Yeah, well, just take the simple attack. About one month. Actually, here on Louis. We can take it up there, Jimmy.